Welcome to an urgent look at the global economy. We're talking about the debt bomb that many ignored, until now. For years, economists issued warnings about a ticking debt bomb deep beneath the global financial system. Governments, businesses, and consumers alike borrowed heavily, accumulating massive liabilities. This massive amount of global debt, over $300 trillion, was largely ignored by most people until the crisis reached a head. So how did we get here? Let's trace the steps that led to this explosive situation. Following the 2008 financial crisis, central banks drastically lowered interest rates, making borrowing cheaper than ever before. Then came the pandemic, and trillions of dollars in stimulus checks flooded the economy. Debt soared worldwide to unprecedented levels. For a while, these low interest rates managed to keep the highly indebted system stable, masking the underlying fragility of the situation. But the era of cheap money could not last forever, leading us to the inevitable explosion. Inflation surged unexpectedly. To try and control it, central banks aggressively began raising interest rates, reversing years of easy money policy. Suddenly, debt became dramatically more expensive. Loan payments jumped, and refinancing became a serious struggle for many. With the increase in rates, the giant debt bomb, which had been ticking for years, finally detonated with dramatic effect. Now, we're experiencing the economic shockwaves spreading throughout the global economy. Governments are grappling with rapidly rising interest payments on their massive national debts, diverting essential funds. Many businesses are struggling to repay expensive loans and secure new financing in this new high-rate environment. Families are feeling the harsh squeeze from higher mortgage payments, steeper credit card interest, and a general rise in the cost of living. The explosion has happened, but the biggest question remains: what comes next for the global financial landscape? Is this just a painful, necessary adjustment to bring inflation down, or is it the precursor to a much larger global financial crisis? One thing is certain: the debt bomb has exploded, and the world must now deal with the profound, far-reaching economic consequences. Subscribe now for more economic insights and detailed global finance stories to stay ahead of the curve.